Hello guys, myself Shubham Chachan, welcome to my channel. A new kind of problem which is a small signal voltage gain. The parameter of the transistor in the circuit shown below is given by beta equals 100. We are also provided with the early voltage VA equals 100 volt, and we have to find the small signal voltage gain, that is nothing but AV equals to V0 by Vs, but this is nothing but AS equals to V0 by Vs for this circuit. So this is our circuit. Firstly we will do the DC analysis, so to find the collector and base current for the transconductance, and then we will go for AC analysis. So AC, so this is our current, and this is minus of VEE, that is nothing but minus 5 volt. At DC the capacitor will be open, so this part will be ignored. This will be also open, so for this it will be 10k. Okay, and this will be open. So for open part I am showing with it red. This is 7 kilo ohms. This is 10k. This will be grounded, plus of minus 0.7 volts. This is plus of 5 volts. VC, VE, this will be at both sides. You please mark the polarities so as you can solve it easier. .7 volt. Okay, so applying KVL for the base loop, we will get, as you can see, this is our IE, and this is also flowing as a current of 0.35 milliamps. So this will be get replaced by IE only. As you can see, VE is open, so IE, this will be 0 amps flowing, current will be here 0, so IE directly comes out to be 0.35 milliamps. Okay, we will check this particular circuit is in active or saturation, but mostly for voltage gain it is in active region only. So we will check once. IE equals to 0.35 milliamps, IC equals to beta IB, and IB equals to 1 plus beta IE. 1 plus beta is nothing but 101 into 0.35 milliamps, that will come out to be 0.35, 101. Okay, sorry, this is wrong. 1 second please. Okay, we have to find IB. IE equals to 1 by 1 plus beta IB, so IB will be nothing but IE by 1 plus beta. So if we solve this, 0.35 divided 101, 3.46 into 10 raised to minus 6, which is nothing but 3.46 microampere. This is nothing but your IB current. IC equals to beta IB into 100, 0.346, milliamps. So all this current we have find. We will switch on to this part to check the circuit is in active region or not, VC, VB and VE. So for this we will apply KVL. 0 minus 10k IB plus of minus plus, and this will be plus here, plus VB equals 0. So if we solve it further, it will come out to be 10 into 10 raised to 3 into IB is nothing but 3.46 microamp into 10 raised to minus 6, that is nothing but 0.346 into so it will come out to be VB equals minus of 0.346, and if we switch on to VE, that is nothing but minus 0.7 here, so it will come out to be answer minus 0.7346. and if we switch on to VC, that is nothing but current here IC phi, positive of phi. I am solving this equation here for VC. Phi minus 7k IC, and this will be minus VC equals 0. So it comes out to be phi minus 7k IC is nothing but 7 into 10 raised to 3 into 0.346 into 10 raised to minus 3. So it will be 2.422 equals VC. So VC is comes out to be in positive. Phi minus answer 2.578. So we can easily see here 2.578. So this is in active region. The circuit is in active region. Active region. So we will go to AC analysis of this particular diagram. Sorry, this particular circuit. So we will continue with the AC analysis over here. So for AC analysis, we will firstly draw the circuit of AC analysis here. In this, the capacitor will be short circuited. This both capacitor will be short circuited. And current will be in open circuit. So this will be plus of minus Vs grounded, 0.5k (10 kilo ohm) gm v pi. This is nothing but r pi, and here it will be grounded. The DC part, all the DC part will be grounded. Here it is 7 kilo ohm. This is nothing but your V0. Here it is open circuited, so here it will be in open circuit, grounded. Okay, so this is our R pi. We will find R pi, the transconductance respectively, plus or minus V pi here. This is V0 here. Okay, Vs here. If we have to find the particular voltage gain V0 by Vs. So it's very easy to find here. You can see the emitter is totally not there, or you can call it as grounded. So we will switch on to GM first. The transconductance is nothing but IC by Vt. IC is our 0.346 milliamps. We have calculated it earlier also, 0.346 milliamps. Vt is nothing but the thermal voltage, 26 millivolts. So we calculate this 0.346 divided by 26 into 10 raised to 3. $13.30 milliamps per volt GM is coming. And if we calculate for R pi, it is nothing but R pi is the formula for R pi is Vt by Ib, 26 millivolt by Ib. Ib is nothing but 3.46 microamps 10 raised to minus 6. .46 into 10 raised to minus 6. Okay, so we got 7.514 kilo ohms R pi. But you can see our early voltage is also there, so one more string of resistor will come, that is nothing but R0. Early by IC, early is 100 by IC is nothing but 0.346 milliamps. So it will come out to be 100 divided by 0.346. So 289.0 in kilo ohms R0. Okay, so we get the particular three values: transconductance, GM and R pi. We will switch on to this with a new string here, that is nothing but R0. Okay, so applying KVL loop first for this, we will get V0 equals to minus GM. One second. So for this and this, okay, so GM V pi, all three are outgoing. GM V pi plus V0 by, this is nothing but 7K, plus V0 by R0 is nothing but 289 kilo ohms, when 0 equals 0. So V naught one side, 7k gm V pi plus V naught, 289 plus 7k, 296 V naught by k equals 0. So here it will come out to be gm V pi equals, one second, I will arrange here only. So for this, gm V pi, gm is nothing but 13.30 milliamps into 10 raised to minus 3 to 23 into 10 raised to 3. So V pi equals to 26905.9 V pi equals minus of 296 V naught. So V pi equals, if we divide with 296, 90.8 minus 90.8 V pi. So we have to substitute V pi as in Vs. So we got the final equation as V naught, but this is not our final equation. We have to find V naught by Vs. So we have got only V naught equals to minus 90.8 V pi. Okay. So for this, I will solve for this part now. Okay, sure. For this part, plus or minus Vs, plus or minus Vs, this is nothing but your 0.5k, 10k and r pi. Okay, 0.5k, 10k and r pi. Point 5k, 10k, and this is your plus or minus V pi r pi. This is your open circuit. Okay, so here it will be like this. So basically we have to find V pi in terms of Vs. So solving this particular, I am assuming as in V1, and this is V pi. So applying KVL loop here. Okay, so Vs minus V1 by 0.5k equals to outgoing V1 by 10k, and this is nothing but V1 by r pi. V1 by r pi. So this is equation number 1. But you can see here V1 V pi, and this is grounded. So if we can, you can switch V1 as V pi also. V1 plus or minus V1 minus V pi equals 0. So V1 is nothing but your V pi here. So switching to this V1 equals V pi, we get Vs minus V pi upon 0.5k equals V pi by 10k plus of V pi by R pi, and R pi value is I will check R pi value. What's the R pi value? Okay, R pi is nothing but 7.514 kilo ohm. So switching back to this, Vs minus V pi upon 0.5k equals V pi by 10k plus V pi by 7.514 kilo ohms. So if we solve this, Vs minus V pi, so 7.514 plus 10, this is nothing but kilo, 17.514 kV pi, and this is 10 into 7.514 k, 75.14 into 10 raised to power 6. So if we multiply this and if we multiply this here, cross multiplication, Vs minus V pi, this is nothing but 75.14 into 10 raised to 6 goes there, 0.5, 17.514 into 0.5, this is nothing but 8.757 V pi here to 6. Okay, so Vs minus V pi, if we solve it further, answer divide by this 75.14, 10 raised to 6 by 10 raised to 6 gets cancelled, 0.1165 V pi, and this will comes out to be, goes there, plus 1.116 V pi. Okay, so finally we have converted this Vs in terms of V pi, and we have got V0 in terms of Vs. So in terms of V pi, sorry. So we will substitute this Vs value, V pi value in Vs, and we will get V0 by Vs. So substituting this value, see, we have got V0 equals to minus 90.8 V pi. Okay, minus 90.8 V pi. So V0 equals to minus 90.8 V pi. V pi is here. Vs in term I have to get in terms of Vs. So answer equals 1 divided by answer. This is nothing but V pi equals 0.89 Vs. 2, substituting in this equation 2 V pi value. So V0 equals into 90.8. So minus 81.32 Vs. So we have got the final answer as minus 81.32. So this is our final answer, V0 by Vs. We will also denote it as AVS, which is nothing but our voltage gain, minus 81.32. So thank you very much for this. Please like and share and subscribe my channel to get more such kind of videos for transistor and transistor biasing. Thank you very much.